Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we've got my Ipsy glam bag. Nope, we've got my Ipsy original. Yep, I have two bags. Nope, I don't know why. I feel like we're gonna have to label this Ipsy. What's going on today? Let's get into it, check it out. So I can tell from feeling the bags that this feels like a full-on Ipsy bag is in here. And this feels like it only has a couple of things in it. I don't feel like I've ordered anything extra that wouldn't have just come in this bag. So I'm not real confident what's going on here. And because we've had such a weird time with Ipsy, I'm hesitant to say what it is because my January extra I didn't get until like the beginning into February. And then my February icon I didn't get all month, and then they sent out after I asked for a accommodation box, which is what they call it when they resend your box. They sent two, which I mean granted worked out in my favor, but that was kind of weird. And now I have two of these, so let's find out. Let's open the one first that actually feels like it's a whole bag. So if you are new to Ipsy, this is gonna sound like I'm like, don't do Ipsy. And I'm not. I'm actually not. I'm not sure what's going on over there. They do seem to be having a little bit of a rough time. Let me know below if you're having any problems with them also. But I love what I get. Well, I get it. But that's what seems to be the problem lately. There seems to be little problems that I just need to contact them about. This is what I have in the first box. This feels kind of pretty. It's like a suede. I'm not sure what this is meant to be. Oh, it's a sun. It's meant to be like a sun splat on the back. I was like, it looked kind of Nickelodeon-esque to me. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is though my March bag. It is called the Ipsy Original now. It is $14 a month. You choose one of your products in it from a selection that they give you, and they pick the other four things. It's basically deluxe sized products. Sometimes you'll have full size lip liners, eyeliners, brushes, that kind of thing can sometimes be full size. So that's kind of fun, but it's always, I find, worth $14 plus you get the cute bag. We will reach inside the bag and see if we have paperwork, because with this bag, the original, sometimes our paperwork will tell us on the inside, yay, a little bit about each of our products. So I can read right from here for you guys what it is. Let's start what was on the outside, and that is a brush. Let me get into my app real quickly and see what I picked. Okay, I know what I picked. This was not it. Believe it or not, I didn't pick the brush. This is a tight little small brush. I like these for doing along the bottom of my eyelashes. That is what that looks like. I am sure that's probably not what this is intended to do. Let's see what they say it's intended to do. It is a Pear Nova lid focus brush. So I guess just to be somewhere really tight and focus on it. They say it has a $18.50 value. It did feel very nice. This precision brush features a slim tapered shape ideal for targeted application. The soft synthetic bristles let you place pigment exactly where you want it, perfect for defining the crease, outer corner, or lower lash line. So I do use it for a very fine purpose. I like the feel of this. You know, inexpensive brushes, is that a nice way of saying it, come in different feels. Their bristles still vary wildly, and this one feels nice. So I will absolutely put this down in my to be used pile, and that is Pear Nova. So right away, $18.50 is the value of this. Technically, we've already paid for our bag. Next out, we have a Maison Louis Marie. We have had this in several of our subscriptions, so they are making the rounds these days. This is the number 15 Vanille Infini. So I imagine it's going to smell like vanilla. Let's see. Oh, it is a spray. Is it a spray? It is a spray. I do love it when it's a spray and I don't have to try and get the top off and get it all over me. Let's spray something. We'll spray our Ipsy bag. Doing something wrong? Oh, it just dribbled. It just dribbled out. Yeah, it won't come out. I don't know what the problem is, but I can't get it out. But it did dribble across my finger. It's even wet. Oh, it smells very nice. It smells kind of vanilla-y. It smells like a very posh vanilla. A posh lady perfume that they've added a drop of vanilla to is what it smells like. Well, as luck would have it, this is probably not a scent I would choose for myself, so I don't have to hate that it won't come out, but you have to wonder why that little tiny thing won't come out. Vanilla flower, sugared amber, cashmere weed, fleur de vanille, oh no, fleur de vanille, ambre sucre, and oud de cashmere. That's it in French, in case you wanted to hear my spectacular French. A botanical tradition since 1792, etc., etc. There you go. Next out, we have a K. Voss Pixie Powder. That is what that looks like. Oh, and by the way, they say that the perfume, they don't tell us. They say it's a deluxe sample. If it was a full version of 50 ml, it would be $100 though. This, they say it is a weightless, microfine setting powder that works like a beauty spell to blur the look of pores while locking in your makeup. The result, a flawless, airbrushed finish that looks natural, never cakey. And if this was full-sized, it would be 8 grams and $38. And this is 2.5 grams, which is a little more than a quarter. So I would say $8 or $9 worth, but anyway, that's a little powder. That's what it looks like. I don't know, is it a talc or a mica? Wow, those are very little words, but I believe that it says mica, so we're gonna move forward. I am using my Laura Mercier, but I wouldn't hate having something like this to stick in my purse. I mean, can you see below the lip color how it's kind of white? That's where it is. So it's kind of pretty. I will have to try it with a brush and we'll see how it works, but it is the K. Voss Pixie Powder. Next out, we have the Replenishing and Restoring Truffle Hair Mask. That sounds fun. Infused with keratin, biotin, and argan oil. Organic ingredients, sulfate-free, paraben-free for all hair types, and we have 2.02 fluid ounces. I love these pouches. I don't know what about them it is that I love, but there's just something about them that I really like. Dry, frizzy, or brittle hair, this Luxe Leave-In treatment brings it back to life. Infused with truffle extract, we did that already. It helps nourish and hydrate while supporting smoother, softer, more elastic strands. Oh, this is full-sized. $20 value, and this is full-sized. Wow. How much do they say we should use? After shampooing, massage into wet hair and allow to penetrate 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat if desired. Designed to nourish from root to tip, it strengthens, smooths, and adds shine, leaving your hair silky and vibrant. I love hair masks, and I like this pouch, and I'll be using this. And also a $20 value. So again, more than the cost of the bag. All right, and last out, and my choice, we have the Cushion Tip Applicator e.l.f. Halo Glow. It is in, what is that word? Candlelit. So I think it's gonna be a highlighter. This now completes the collection, I think. I have a Tarte Contour from a box. I have recently received the Charlotte, right? Yes. A matte blush and a blush with a little bit of highlight in it, and I have layered them both on today. I liked it a lot. That is what that looks like. Is it the little poofy style? It is. It looks like it's meant to open and close like this, but it doesn't seem to open or close. So let's see if we can get it out of there. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna put too much on, knowing it's too much, so that it comes across to you guys. Okay, first of all, yes, way too much. And second of all, not perfect for me because this is it. And that's too yellow / pigmented orange for me to use as a highlighter. That said, it's very highlighty. It's very pretty. It's just not a great color for me. It's just a little too dark. Well, you know what? I say that. Let's give it a try. I don't know if you can see that at all. I can't. We'll just put it here and see what happens. You know what? I think that you use a light enough amount of it that I don't know that the color stays with it at all. I don't know if it has any glowing. Unfortunately, I won't know until I go downstairs and look in one of my big mirrors, but maybe you guys can tell. Is there any highlight to it? I just remember I had this big mirror over here, so I thought I would see. I cannot even see where I put it on. So I will look downstairs, but this is, I am sure, a full-size product, and it says e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Blush Beauty Wand in Candlelit. This glow-boosting liquid highlighter delivers a soft, luminous sheen that looks lit from within, never glittery, and it has a $10 value. So I will play around with this some more downstairs because I am loving all of my new cushion tip applicators. So that is my Ipsy Original now, formerly the Glam Bag. It is a $14 bag. You get that and you get the cute little, I should put it back there with it. It should get credit for it. The cute little bag that I have a very nice collection of. Okay, now let's find out what's in this other bag that I have no idea what is in it. I'm gonna tell you, opening this doesn't help me a lot. I can help my way through half of it. This is the Hula Original, and it was the add-on that was missing from my Ipsy Icon order. I did an add-on. You know, after we do our selections, they do an add-on sale and you can pick little things in it. It was $3.50. I picked it for one of my grands. There it is. She loves it. It's the Benefit Hula. You can use it as your contour bronzer, whatever you would like to use it for. But it did not come in my first accommodation box, but it did come in the second accommodation box. So technically, they missed it in the one that I'm sure they think is the one that I got, but then I got another one, which they told me to keep, and I don't know why I got two. This was missing from one of them. So on their own, somehow their system caught that this was missing, and they've sent it to me. Okay, that's kind of explained. I can't explain this. Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Set and Protect Translucent Powder. I mean, fantastic. It sounds fantastic. It is titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, so it's an SPF. I mean, I'm all in for it. I don't know, could I possibly have hit a button that I didn't realize? I mean, this totally looks like me. That I didn't realize I hit and purchased this. I will have to pursue this further and see if this was something else that I did as an add-on. And if I did, when did I did it? Did I did it back in February at the beginning of, which actually probably would have been the end of January when I did this. Did I do this? Or did I do it with the February one? Or did I do it with, or did I do it with the March one? I don't know. I don't know that I did it at all. I think the game is afoot at Ipsy. I think that they're going through some hard times. But as it turns out, it seems to be working out great for me because I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not, they've never reached out. I'm just a girl that orders all of their products because I like them. But I mean, who doesn't want this? It's a good size. It's, oh, it comes off. Oh, no. Put it back. Why would you take it off? Why would they make it so that it comes off? I just got it all over me. So it doesn't unscrew. I have the Supergoop one of these, and you do like that depending on whether you want it open or closed, and I assumed that's what I was doing. It is not. So it must just, when you turn it upside down, oh yeah, it just comes out when you turn it upside down. Okay, so that's in theory an SPF. Clean without compromising performance, clinically tested, set makeup, and protect and improve the skin on the go with our 100% mineral SPF 25 setting powder. Talc-free, ultrafine formula, has a weightless feel, and comes with a vegan brush that dispenses just the right amount of powder for easy reapplication. This does sound like something I would have ordered because we just had a whole conversation about how do you reapply SPF. With a safe, high protection from a mineral SPF, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. I mean, okay, we have to agree that does sound like me. I just thought I'd put a little bit on. I like it very much. My Supergoop feels nicer. The brush feels more quality when you use it. That said, this is working very nicely. Also, the Supergoop one closes. And I would worry about, for reapplication, that means I would want to have it with me on the go. And I would worry a little bit about this because you can't close it. It could just always, if it fell upside down in my purse, it could always be shaking out. I wonder if that's true if it's like that. I wonder if the theory is that when they're grouped together, it stops it from continuing to come out. Anyway, I like the idea of this. I will absolutely be using this. I love SPF powders because it is the only way that I have found that one can reapply one's SPF, because I always have a full face of makeup on if I'm going out there. Did that make me very white, or am I very white today? I don't know if it's coming across over there, but I feel like it might have made my skin kind of white. Did you guys watch that happen? Well, we'll watch it together if I see it in editing. Okay, that's what was in the second bag. The contour, which I will happily pass along to the little grand that I got. That she's not little, she's in college. The little grand that I got this for, she'll have 2 that she can tuck away wherever she wants. I will happily use this. I will probably put it in the console of my car, standing straight up, so that when I'm out there and I want to do this, I can do that. So I am very happy to have those as add-ons, and if they were both my choices, also very happy to have them. It's unusual they didn't come in the bag though. The whole point is they usually come in the bag, and that way they don't have to pay to ship you more. Okay. They're going through some tough times. We're gonna have to hold their hands and walk through this together because they've been great for years and they're gonna keep being great, but they seem to be, I don't know if they're under new management, if they're changing warehouses. Things seem to be slipping through. I was missing my boost and my extra, so I've got to go down and deal with that too. But I'm gonna hang with them. You don't throw something away just because it comes on hard times. You help them through it. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's hold hands, guys. Help them through it. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. That is my Ipsy bag. Those are, I'm gonna assume, my add-ons that just came separately. And there you go. So if you have any questions about Ipsy, if I can answer it, I'm happy to do that. As I said, I am not affiliated with Ipsy. These are just boxes and bags that I buy on my own because I like them. It was the first bag that I did on the channel. We are friends and I am sticking with it. Wow, how long has that been? That'll be 8 years this September. It's been a while. Have you been here with me? Okay. Thanks again, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out. I'll link stuff below if it's something that I try and get to use before I edit this and put it up. I will let you know what I think about it, and I will see you again really soon. Have a great evening, guys.